What's up, guys? I'm here with Blake Daly, and today we're going to talk to you about the 5 best tips for house hacking with your VA loan. Starting with,
So one is get alignment with your spouse. If you're going to be living next to your tenants and renting out a space that you and your wife or even your husband are going to have to share with your tenants, make sure they're on board first.
number 2 is that it doesn't have to be cash flowing or even break even on day one for it to make sense. Even if you still have to come out of pocket a little bit in those expensive markets, if you're not paying $3,000 a month in rent anymore and you're only paying $500 to live in the place, that's still a huge savings, and it'll cash flow when you move out. So it can still be a huge win, even if you're not completely living for free.
And 3 is that you can negotiate your closing costs in up to 4% of the purchase price. So that means with a VA loan, you bring 0% down. You can bring even less by negotiating in your closing costs that the seller pays, and you're not bringing that out of pocket. So you can really get in for a low amount down.
Number 4 is that there's no longer a limit to the purchase price, that you can go 0 down when buying a house. So $1, $2, $3 million properties, you can go 0 down as long as your debt to income and credit, you're lendable.
And number 5, one of the best parts is that you can use it multiple times. So I've used my VA loan twice on 2 different house hacks and got 4 units for 0% down. So you can continue to use the VA loan.
Yeah, and this is my favorite strategy for getting started in real estate. I've house hacked a couple of different times in a couple of different ways, and we've got a great network of people that we'd be happy to introduce you to help you out with all this. So if you're interested in that, click the link in any of the bios on any of the platforms, and no cost to you, we'll make some introductions.
If you guys want any help or have any questions about how to best utilize the VA loan, shoot a message in the DMs. Be happy to help.